Can we eat the seed?
ไม่รู้ try
Let's try it. Ting. Hello ka-umami, isang kakaibang prutas na naman po ang ating kakainin for today. At first time po namin pareho, this is your first time na?
Right.
First time po namin parehong matitikman at bigay po ng aming kapitbahay from their province. Ito ay tinatawag nilang, how do you call this?
ลังแข
Langke.
ไม่ใช่
At
ลังแค
Langke, ayan, langke, yung tawag nila. Para po siyang santol at ginugol namin, ang tawag naman sa English ay balakuya. Ayan. So, tikman natin kung ano ang lasa ng prutas na ito. Ganyan po siya, oh. Parang maliliit na santol. Let's try, Daddy, how to open it. How to open it.
see the in
Use me, dyan, eh?
use meat
Papaikutin natin. So, parang mangosteen, no?
เหมือน
Like mangosteen.
ไม่
How
มี
to
สเมล
smell?
อ่ะไม่มีส
How
เม
to
ล
try this.
เฮ้ยทำยังไงวะ
I want to try too.
อ๋อ
Yung balat po niya.
ไง
Alam ko na, yung,
อ๋อเหมือนแมงโก้
Just-
สตีนเลยอ่ะ
yeah, and just like the fruit we eat before, the small ones.
มาไฟ
Yeah, the bamfa, yung may mukbang na po kami dating napakaasim na prutas na mas maliliit, ganyan-ganyan itsura niya. Maybe same taste?
ไม่รู้
It smell the same, Daddy.
เหรอ
Same po yung amoy. Ipapakita ko yung, ayan. Try it, Daddy. I will open this one. Ayan po siya, kaumami. Di ba? Ang kapal ng balat. Can we eat the skin?
ไม่รู้
Does it have
you
seed?
can try
Does it have seed? Ay, oo, ang galing. Ang,
May mi.
ang dali lang po niyang balatan. Look.
สกินก็เปรี้ยวนะ
Maasim daw ang balat. Let's try it, Daddy. Ayan po siya, oh. Ang cute.
เขาบอกว่าถ้ายังตอนที่มันเด็กๆมันจะเปรี้ยว
If it's still young, pag hilaw-hilaw pa, maasim. So, this is already, good.
maybe
Kasi
It's
ano na
sweet.
po siya, lantutay na po siya sa skin niya. Only the skin, but inside is still beautiful. No?
ใช่
Let's try it.
1 2 3 4 5โอ้ยมี5อัน
Yeah, it has 5 seed. Can we eat the seed?
ไม่รู้ try
Let's try it. Ting.
หวานแล้ว
Maasim.
เปรี้ยว
Maasim na napakatamis. I think we cannot eat the seed.
อืม
May buto po siya.
อร่อยนะ
Same taste with
Mafaya.
mafaya. Paras na paras po. Kung napanood niyo, ipapakita ko yung picture dyan sa ating screen or sa comment. Yung kinain namin na maliliit na prutas, na madaming nagsasabi na lang Langsones daw. Ito po yun. Same. Very the same. No? At tinignan po namin yung picture ng puno. Malaking puno po siya na yung pagkakabunga niya is like longkong, no? Hitik na hitik sa mga sanga.
กินสีแล้วนะ
Tingnan na. Kun na. Lulunukin daw po niya ang seed. No.
จนกลืนไปแล้ว3 อัน
Sarap. Masarap po.
We try the big one ในลูกใหญ่ big
Alam mo yung napakaasim, it's very maasim but very sweet. Naglalaban sila. Let's try the big one. Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Ayan, baka po meron ito sa atin. I think we have this in the Philippines.
โอ้ลูกนี้น่าจะสุกมากนะเนี่ย
Na? May brown na siya.
ลูกนี้
Try
น่า
it,
จะแก่
Daddy.
very old ลุง
Very, me too. Mine too. Yung sa amin, yung pangalawang bukas namin, mayroon na po siyang brown.
เบราๆนะ
Yeah, brown. Try it, Daddy. Maybe mas masarap. Ang galing, oh. Dali lang balatan. How is it?
หวานมาก
One mark. One mark is very sweet.
นี่มันผลไม้ป่า
nga.
this ผลไม้ป่า forest fruit
Forest fruit.
only this season นะ have
I never see this in the market here in Thailand.
ใช่ I never see ด้วย
They don't sell in the
From
market.
south of Thailand we have this
Dito
fruit
po sa south ng Thailand. We are lucky we got neighborhood from
Neighborhood.
south.
pasalubong
Yeah, pasalubong from neighbor. Because they know we are making doing mukbangs. Kaya kung ano-ano pong mga prutas ang binibigay ng aming mga kapitbahay.
Can you ask your follower ที่ฟิลิปปินส์มีไหมแบบเนี้ย
Yeah. Meron po ba? Do we have this kind of fruit in the Philippines? Balakuya po yung nakita namin sa Google na English niya, English name or scientific name. Please comment how do you eat this in the Philippines? Maybe they minatamis or something.
จริงบาราคุย่ามันจะลูกเล็กๆใช่ไหม
Mm-hmm.
ลูกเล็กๆแต่ว่าเราเนี่ยใหญ่มาก
But different variety.
variety, no?
Yeah. Same balakuya pero different variety. Ang galing.
อร่อย
สา
ดี
รับ
ฉันกินเม็ดแล้วนะฉันไม่คายแล้ว
ไม่เอา
I eat all
เดี๋ยวปลูก
only I eat all seed
เดี๋ยวปลูกไม่ได้หรอก I will try the small one. Weather is good today. We don't have rain, maybe.
yeah
This one has only 4 seed.
อ๋อโฟ
Apat lang.
อันนี้ไฟ
May apat lang din. Ang galing, no? Ang galing, oh. Para siyang yung lito ko, yung barit in Ilocano, yung laman niya. Ang sarap. Ito, halos wala ng asim. Ani may prioloy, wanyang dioloy.
Yeah.
Sobrang tamis na. So, nawawala din yung asim niya kapag sobrang hinog na. Nice.
ว้าว
So big.
น่าจะหวานมาก
Ang galing, no? Parang santol, oh.
amazing
It's,
fruit
yeah, amazing. It's like, what do you call na, the katon.
อันนี้เหมือนซันโต้เนาะ
Parang santol po yung itsura ng balat niya. I think we can eat this.
ลอง
I want to try.
ครับผมทรายแล้วออกเปรี้ยว
Baka malason ako. Talaga?
ๆ
Ang tigas. But it's not malambot like santol.
ได้ไหม
Parang kahoy. It tastes like wood.
เหมือนอะไร
It's
วูด
wood, yeah. And the texture is like wood. Hindi po katulad ng santol.
กินไม่ได้เหรอ
Na mapait-pait. Masagpot. In Ilocano, nasagpot. Amazing.
หวานถึงว่าอร่อยกว่า อร่อยกว่าลูกเล็ก
So ayan, kung meron pong ganito sa atin, paki-comment na lang mga kaumami. Sa mga bundok-bundok daw ito natatagpuan. At baka pwede natin pakinabangan yung balat. Manghihingi ulit tayo sa kapitbahay. Sabi ko kasi kaunti lang dahil hindi pa namin alam kung paano kainin at kung magugustuhan ba namin. Kaya kaunti lang muna para hindi masayang. Pero ang dami daw sa kanila kaya hingi ulit tayo. Let's ask for more. Ayan. So, ayun lang mga kaumami. Sana ay natuwa na naman kayo at may natutunan sa ating bagong kakaibang prutas for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video, please share. Baka ikaw naman ang susunod na mabigyan natin ng 1 kilo GCash at 5 kilo naman sa darating na December 25. Pamaskong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching.
Bye